Okay, JDS Flying Canuck here. We're going to take the SJRC out. We're going to open it up, and I'm going to show you everything that's in there while I put her together. There's my little notes. Take these off, this up, open this up, start with the big ones first. With the big landing gear, go first like that, and put her down. Make sure it's all engaged. Check that you have an SD card in there before you start, just like I have. Unfold these because these are working antennas. Go like this. Get my phone. Okay. To unlock that. Okay. Okay, none. Okay. And we'll go like this and put this on the phone. There we go. That's on the phone. Got our remote on. Turn our drone on. All 4 lights there, as you can see. There we go. We'll bind it. Now it's bound. See the lights blinking like that. Now we're going to do our GPS. Okay. All I have to do is to go like this until 2 of them get solid. 2 back are solid now. And we'll go like this until they get solid. They're solid when I put it down now. They're all blinking. There we go. So now we're going to start our Mobies in. There we go. Start our Mobies in. There it is there. Start that up. The Mobies in going 3, 2, 1. It's going fine. Okay, so what we're going to try today is, oh, it looks like we got out of our app there. This is really weird. Okay, we've got that going. We'll go into settings. Phone's going all sides to nuts, eh? Connections. We are connected there, that's good. Go back and find our app. So we've got our app there. And we'll hit the controller, and we are hooked up. Go. We'll do what we can here. It's getting dark. Okay, so all we have to do is put both in like this. So it's going up. Our Mobies in is going, and we'll take off. Okay, I think we'll go in that direction over there. So we'll go up and over. There we go. Going up. We'll try and put this camera down a little bit. There it is. So that it sees more where it's going. Let me see, when you tilt it, it's got quite a little pitch to it. Yeah, I better tilt it back again. Up straight. Oh, the other way. Oh, lights just went on here. So I'm trying to do this before it gets too dark. There we go. We can see ahead there. So we'll go up a bit. We'll try and get her up a tad. I'm going to just rest on the car here and get her going. Here we go. You can see this here. That is up in the sky there. So, okay. And we're going to go over. Here we go. Try to see my phone there. There we go. Make sure you can see my phone. We got it on the phone. So we're going to go straight over there. We're going to go up a bit more. Okay, we're going to go straight over to those tennis courts. Alright, so we'll turn it like this way. Turn it that way a bit. It's going pretty good. So we've got the distance as about 172, 183. We've got good transmission still. So what we're going to do is try return to home. We should try and go over a little bit more there. I want to see those tennis courts. Okay, we should be good there. There we go. It's starting to freeze up a little bit. Okay, so what we'll do is hit the controller button up on the top there. And what we're going to do is hit home. Okay, return to home. Should turn around now. There it goes. And now it should start coming back. Getting ready to come back. There we go, 273, 270, 268, 257. You can see me right in the parking lot there over by the trees. That's me. I can see it coming back up here now. I'll put it straight up so you can see it in the sky here. Okay. It's right up over me there. The top of my phone here. There it comes. It should stop right about now. There it goes. So far return to home is working great. After this we're going to try loss of signal. I'm just going to go out there and I'm going to turn the transmitter off. And I'm not going to go too far. Just in case. Okay, but this is working great. Just great. Okay, and remember you got 25 minutes on this battery, eh? So people have gotten 21, something like that. So we're going to try and fly it to the full extent so that we get the low voltage. Okay, so here we go. And I've just had my Mobizen on this time. And next time I'm going out, I'm going to hit the video, onboard video. Okay, we're going to test that too. So far I just wanted to test what's there and use the Mobizen. It's coming down perfect. As you can see here, we're now at the height of 22. Okay, here we go. We're getting here. It looks like it's going to land really nicely, man. Wow. This is really cool. There it is. Now it slows down a little bit. It went exactly back around where it was. I'd say that's pretty good, wouldn't you? Wow. I'd say that's pretty good. It ended up exactly where it was. Look at the water coming up there. It's like some water from the rain, eh? Okay, so we're going to try and take off again. And now we're going to try loss of signal. Start it up. Okay, we're going to start the video too. Actually, we can start the video. This is what the onboard video looks like. So there we go. Okay. So we'll go over this way. And I'm going to go straight up. Get this like this so you can see it there. Okay. You can see the video's working by the light on the bottom. You see it blinking? I'll bring it down a bit so you can see this. See that blinking light there? Right there? That's how you can tell the video's working. Okay? So here we go. Just in case you didn't get there. I'm noticing the tilt of this camera here. Okay. Right there. There's the blink. Pretty stable, eh? Okay. So we got the video going. I'm going to bring her up. And we're going to bring her over there. And we're going to do circle me too, sorry. So this is going to be loss of signal. Okay? Loss of signal. So here it goes. There it is right there. Okay? And now I'm going to turn the transmitter off. There it goes. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's going into red. Lights are blinking on it, as you can see there. It's going up. It's going to go up to 80 meters where I've got it set. Okay? Transmitter's off. See? Transmitter's off. you can see, it's totally done. Okay, there's no control. I'm not controlling this no more. All it's controlling this is low voltage. Okay? So it's up to 80 meters now. Around there, let me see what it is. It's still showing what it is. The height is about 93. It's coming over top of me now. Okay? And now it'll sit there until it's ready to descend. Turned around looking at the city again. Okay? And it looks like it's coming in for a landing. Yep, 84, 83, 81, 79. So we know that the loss of signal works. We'll let it come back all the way here until we say that. I'll show you where it is. It's got the red lights blinking. You can see it right there at the top of my phone. Right there. Okay. So it's in touch with the phone still. Not in touch with this. This is off. That's why it said boom. So it's the GPS in the phone that's bringing it back. Okay. There we go. Get the camera a little bit like that. So you can see it still, but you want to see it when it lands here and how good it is. Okay, here it comes. And look at this. It stopped a little bit midair. And look at that. Landed right near the water again. Isn't that pretty cool? It's awesome. And turned off. Okay. So we'll turn back on our transmitter. Okay. Rebind. We're bound again. Okay. There we go. So now what we're going to do, leave this like that. Okay. Now what we're going to try is gesture mode. Okay. So not gesture mode, we're going to try circle me. Okay, so we'll get her going. Bring her up. Okay. And we're going to go over here a bit. And I'm going to be underneath this light over here so this thing can see me or whatever. Or not see me, but see where the point of interest was. So we're going to make, let's say, this pole point of interest. We're going to go up like this. Okay, we're going to go over like this. Right up over that pole. Right, and right now, you press both the buttons for where you're at, right? So, here we go. So now I'm going to move it out a little bit. About there. And we're going to raise it up a little bit. And we're going to use that as our circle me point. So here we go. You hit the camera and the video button again. Okay, turning around. It's got my point of interest there, the light. All right. See how it's going around flawlessly? We'll let it go right the way around that light. I'll keep an eye on these trees over here. It's pretty cool, eh? So I'll go into this light over here. I can take a look up. Well, it's not going to hit those trees, I do believe. Better go up a little higher. It would have. It was just in line with it, so I don't want to take a chance. So you can still see me there, right? Pretty cool. Move the camera down a bit. Flawless, eh? This is awesome. So this is point of interest or circle me mode. Okay. There we go. We went right the way around. Any button, just go. So now it stops up there in the sky, okay? There it is up there in the sky. Okay, so now what we're going to do is bring this down. Bring it down here. Bring this puppy to me. And bring it down here. And we're going to try this gesture mode. It doesn't always work, okay, for people. So we're going to try this. Come here. There we go. Make sure we're not around anything damaged. And apparently you got to have it fairly close. So let's see if we're successful with this. Okay, it is dark here. Bring it down a little more. Okay, so I'm going to go like that and see if it'll take a picture. No, I've got to move this out of the way too. My Moby's in. So let's see if it will even take a picture. Got to get out of video mode. Maybe that's the trick. So I turned off the video there. Okay, and we're going to go. We'll try and take a picture. There's a picture. Go up over here a bit. Right about there. Take a picture. I'm going to try gesture mode, but I'm going to move this up a little bit and over there a little bit. Okay? And we are going to try, let me see, I want to turn this way too. Like that. Keep these poles in my eyesight. Okay. We're going to try. Okay. It says weak satellite. Anyways, let me see what happens if I try this. Warm tip under the adequate light circumstance, keep the distance of the aircraft from human body within 3 to 10 meters. Okay, I think that's about right there. So we will try walking here and see what it'll do. If it keeps me in there. Okay. Bring it up a little more. Bring it up like that. It might not have me in there. So we'll try it again. I have to stand in the light here. Turn it over around with me. Okay, so it sees me. Walk. Weak satellite system. Weak satellite system. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Nope. Nothing happening there. Okay. So we'll shut that off. Probably because it can't see me there. So I'll bring it back in for gesture again. Okay. I'm going to try that again. Okay, so bring it over here. Bring it down. Right about there. Okay. And what we're going to do is bring it down some more. Got mosquitoes biting me galore here. Turn off the video. Turn on the gesture. Okay? And we're going to see if it takes a picture. Then back here a bit. See if it works there. Turn it back off and on. Move this out of the way, my Moby's in. And try to turn it back on again. Let it give it a chance to see you in there. Okay, to see where you're at. And then go like this. Nope, not working. Okay, let me see. What we wanted to try was low voltage too again too, so that didn't work. Gesture me's not working. Gesture's not working, I mean. So we're just going to take it out for a little fly here, okay? I'm going to go lean on my car. We're going to try a distance check. Go lean on my car here. Okay. There we go. Take her up. Turn her around. Bring her over. Straight up. I'll put that camera the other way. Okay, so we got the video there. I'm going to try and go over to there. So we're going to take it up a fair way. And we're just going to go fly over there. And we'll see, while we're flying, we're going to see if we get a, whatchamacallit, low voltage. Here we go. We're up there. Turn it this way a bit. The other way. So there we go. We got her going over the field. Got somebody in their car over there. Yeah. Okay. We're doing pretty good. We're at about 165. Trying to raise her up a bit. The height's about, I want to get her up to at least 80 there. Get over to the, get over there. Well, we're losing signal there. Okay. What we'll do, looks like we have loss of video signal there. So I'm just going to manually bring it back. Okay. Need to turn it this way. Turn it there. Okay, so we'll do return to home. Should be starting to come home soon. Going into return to home. It's coming back across the sky. So I lost signal totally. And basically I could see it far away, but I lost orientation a bit. Okay. And I slid return to home. And it's coming back home. So this thing saved my butt. Okay. Now it's a little bit off, but that's okay. It's coming back in a different direction. I mean, a little bit over from where it was. I'll just turn it around here and bring it over here a bit, where I am. Okay, mosquitoes. Move it over here a little bit. That's better. You can see it blinking there. It's in return to home mode. Okay, so here we go. Turn it around now. It's coming back down. Here it comes. Now it's actually found its spot again. Okay, so it was looking for it for some reason. And I moved around a bit, then it moved and it found its spot again. It's probably going to land right where it was again, right near that water. So this is pretty cool. At about 200 something meters you saw in the Moby's in, I lost range. And I think this is low voltage because we're at roughly about 20 something minutes now, right? 23 minutes. So there's low voltage return to home too. Okay, So we got both covered. There we go. So that was low voltage return to home, and the return to home when I was out flying there. As you can see by the Mobies, and we've been flying for a little bit, right? Okay, well, I'll try and start her again, and we'll see what happens, okay? You can see at the bottom corner there, the drone is down to like nothing, okay? So that was low voltage return to home when I was out there. That's why I couldn't do anything. That's why it wasn't doing anything. It was going into that. Well, that is so cool. We got to show you the low voltage. The gesture did not work. Live track did not work. Okay, the return to home works. Circle Me worked. And that might, with the live track, it may not have worked because of me being at night here, right? It just totally went dark. Anyways, that is JDS Flying Canuck, okay, for the F11, okay, the F11. Amazing little bird. I'm not really worried about the active track and the gesture, not a big deal, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to say goodbye, good night, apparently, and you guys fly safe. JDS Flying Canuck over and out. We'll shut off the video, and we'll shut off our Mobies. There we go.